And I never worn the same t-shirts. So today we're doing a mystery bag. And so we want to get some toys to share with you. And now we've got this mystery bag. And there's mysteries up there.
Yeah, so where did we get it from? We went to the shop called The Works.
The Works.
And how much was it?
£5.
£5. So
£5.
So should we see what's in the mystery?
Yeah!
Okay. So we've opened the mystery bag. What we're going to do is we're going to close our eyes, we're going to put our hands in, and we're going to pull one out.
Okay.
And we're going to see what the mystery is.
One by one?
One by one.
Okay.
We'll take turns.
I meant one by two.
Yeah, so we'll take turns. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, you want to see what Savannah got?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're sharing it. Let's open it from the packet. Let's see what's in the packet. Yeah, we will. We'll see.
What about the Easter? Yeah, you want to share?
Are you going to share, she said?
Yes.
Yes.
Yay! But be careful with these.
Yeah, staples.
Yeah, they can go on your fingers.
Yeah.
And they can hurt kids a lot. And not babies.
Not babies.
Kids.
Okay, let's see. Show me.
Pop.
Show me.
It's a pop moon.
Let's let Gina have a go.
Okay, 1 second.
It's all the planets in the solar system.
Oh, I know all of them. But a couple. Oh no, that's the sun.
That's the sun.
Yeah, it's the biggest sun ever.
And where's Earth?
Here.
No, Earth is here, the green one. Can I see? Can I see, Gina?
Not mine. I want to pop it all.
Okay, let's show me then. Oh wow. Can I see it, please? Okay, now it's your turn, Gina. Close your eyes. You took 2. Okay, you took 2 then. Good.
Yeah, this one for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, I got blues in this one.
Oh wow, let's see.
Oh yeah, it's like mine. Wow, from there.
Wow, what is it?
Rainbow
A
puppet.
rainbow poppet.
Yeah.
Okay, Savannah, what have you got?
This thing.
A spinner?
Yes, spinner pop.
Spinner pop. Okay.
I want threads.
Huh?
I want threads.
You want to share?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to open it.
I think I have one of these upstairs, but actually they're not the same.
Wow.
Never mind. Oh, red, orange, red. I can have mine right now.
Savannah can have your one now.
Yeah.
Okay, and are you opening that one all by yourself?
Yeah. Full banana.
Oh, wow. Let's see.
I want to try it too. What, do you take the balls out?
Let's see. Show me. Ooh.
Try and take the balls out.
So let's take the balls out then, like Savannah said. You just try and spin it. Let's leave it there. Yeah. Ooh.
Give me. Oh.
That's so clever.
What about you take it out the little ball?
I don't think you take the little balls out.
Maybe they stick to it.
Show me what else you can do with that one.
Is it? Oh, let's do the same to the planet mine.
Oh, wow.
I want one too. This is so cool, this poppet.
Got one more. Oh, that's amazing.
It's
I've
my
got
turn.
one more left. That's Savannah's one now. Yeah, one more. Okay, you both do it together. You already got that. I got it for you for Christmas.
Really? Give me that one. I want both them.
You want both of them, please?
Please, Mom. You can have mine.
Okay, Savannah, you open that one. Let's see what you can do with that one.
I don't want that one. I want this one. Wait.
Open that one then.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Next one.
Oh,
Okay. Look, wow! Look, so you just do it.
Yeah.
Oh, I can already do it. Wait, there's a different colour now.
Yeah.
Green, red, pink, yellow, and the same colour. Is this the pattern?
It does a pattern, yeah.
You see the purple bit?
Do it again.
I wonder why there's purple. They're making purple all together. Well, be my favourite! Be my favourite!
Blue, your favourite?
Yeah.
Because Savannah's pattern though.
Oh, that's cool.
Is it making you dizzy?
No fun. I think I can use my elbow. Fun one now, fun one. Fun one. I want fun
So
one.
is it worth the £5?
Yeah.
You got Poppet Rainbow one.
I want that one.
You got a spinner, fidget spinner.
I want the rainbow.
You got a big fidget spinner with some balls in it. Oh look, you can move the balls.
Yep, I know.
And you can make a little game out of it. And then you've got the solar system fidget poppet thingy. What is this one? This is the best one, isn't it?
Yeah, I
And
like
it teaches you about the planets. So show me the sun. The sun's squished. Where's her?
Here.
Well done. Do you know where Mars is?
No. Here.
Mars is
Here.
there. That's Mars.
Oh, it looks like pink. Underwater. Wow, I want